Hello everyone, it's Marielle here from SERPWizz, the #1 lead generation tool for agencies looking to give white-labeled automated SEO reports. And today, we're just going to continue where we left off in our last video, talking about creating projects. In the last video, we went over the second step of keywords, and for this video, we're going to go over the third step, which is how to add search engines and locations to a project. So right now, you can see we're on the page where we left off on keywords, and if you were to hit next, we will be immediately brought to this third page of search engines. So here you can track the ranking positions of the keywords you're interested in on Google, Yahoo, Bing, and YouTube in any region of the world and on any device. Google Maps search results are also available if you need. And before we'd like to start, we just want to take note that in order to track YouTube rankings, you will actually need to create a separate project for YouTube video or channel. Okay, so right here, if you're also on a free trial account, just note that you only have 3 locations and 3 search engines to choose from, whereas a monthly subscription plan will actually have 5 locations / 5 search engines to choose from. Okay, so right here you can actually select which search engine and location you want to track in the third project creation step. So in this case, you'd have to add the search engine and select one from below. In this case, we're going to go with Google, and then we're going to go from country to United Kingdom, since that's where we're currently based. And then from here, you can actually specify the location based on city or postal code. Let's just go with London, see if this actually gets us any results. There we go, London. And then you can actually choose the interface language. So in case you aren't actually looking to get results in English, just note that SEO ranking actually provides a lot for me to choose from. And English will be what we're choosing for in this case, just because. From here, you can also include Google local pack results, which you just have to toggle this button to access. You can also track Google ad rankings through this other toggle button right here. So that was just one search engine. To add a second search engine, you'd have to hit this green button right here, which reads out Add Search Engine. And then from here, we are going to create a second one. So unless you press that green button, it's not going to be formally added over here. So now that we have the list down here, we're going to create a second one for Yahoo. And then we're going to go again with United Kingdom. And then we're going to add that search engine as well. So here I've just added all 3 search engines, Google, Yahoo, and Bing, all within the UK. Though I haven't specified any of it down here, as you can see, we now have 3 complete search engines added to our project. So that's just how to start adding search engines to your project when you're creating one on SEO ranking. Hopefully this helps you better manage any sort of SEO analytics you might be doing in the future. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you need any more help when it comes to SEO ranking, be sure to check out the rest of our channel using either the link on the upper right corner of this video or any of the links below. Also note, we're going to go over the next 4th and 5th steps in separate videos, so just wait up for that, and we'll get right to it. See you next time!